Yeah.
I, I don't know. There were some questions that I was like, okay.
Yeah.
I was not sure.
Yeah. When they found out the grade afterwards, I was like, how is this possible? I was pretty confident, you know? That's
I
probably why I got
know.
the grade I
And
got.
what, I know. That's why I took it on Monday because I felt like, okay, this is good. But when I was taking it, it was just like, oh my gosh.
Yeah. So, remember to pray before you go in.
All right.
Yeah, totally.
Do that. I will.
All right.
Wonder if it's one of those, the first exam's the hardest to scare away the people that won't work as hard. So they'll drop
Yeah.
the class. It's like those. Yeah, I've had some classes like that where the first exam is the hardest one ever because they want
I don't
to
think so.
weed out the. You don't think so?
No, I do.
Oh, okay.
I actually, because it covers so much. It's it's a big test because it did cover a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
So I am pretty sure. Well, that's what I felt like it was like that.
Yeah. There's 38 questions, just so you know. It took me an hour and a half. So just
Okay.
How long did it took you?
an hour and a half.
Oh wow, you were fast. It took me 2 hours.
Well, good thing it said it gives you 4 hours, so I was like, I'm not sure I'm going to use all 4 of those hours, but I guess if I need it, then
Yeah,
it's good.
I passed 2 hours and a half because I took a break.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
Interesting.
hopefully it's good.
Yeah.
All right. On to part 2. Starting question 9. The Graduate Management Admission Test, the GMAT, is used as an admission criterion in many Masters of Business Administration programs that scores on the GMAT in the class have had a mean score of 529. BYU professor feels now that the score has improved within the last couple of years. Determine the null alternative hypotheses.
Hypothesis equals 529 and HA greater 529.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Me too.
Yep.
Alright, so question about evidence that the null hypothesis should be rejected. However, in reality, the mean score students taking the exam is still 529. Was a type A or type 2 error committed?
Type 1.
Yeah.
Yep.
If the analysis was done at the 0.01 level, what is the probability of committing a type 1 error?
1%.
Yeah.
Yep.
I had to do that one twice. If we wanted to decrease the probability of making a type 2 error, would we need to increase or decrease the level of significance? And I got increase.
Increase.
Yes.
A study by the National Association of Realtors reported in 2004 that second-home sales accounted for more than a third of residential real estate transactions. According to the report, the average age of a person buying a second home as an investment rental property was 47 years. Assuming that the national standard deviation was 5, a real estate agent wants to determine the average age of those buying investment property in his area is different than the average national age. He randomly selects 15 of his clients who purchased an investment property and obtains the values on these. So we designed a study. What is the from which the realtor obtains his data, how did he sample this population, and what is the research question?
So I have how different is the average age of the people buying second homes or investing property in that area.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's essentially the gist of what I got to. Collect the data, name at least one way the realtor could have randomly selected a sample. You can have thrown all the names in a hat. Is what I put.
Yeah.
What is it? I'm sorry.
I put that you could have thrown all the names in a hat and drawn 15 random samples.
Be really quick.
Describe the data, graph the data on a histogram, sketch the histogram below, or cut and paste your electronic copy. In a short paragraph, describe the data by using at least 5 descriptive never mind.
I could probably skip that one since
Yeah.
it's just the.
Kind of what I found.
Of the graph.
Main requirements. Check the requirements. Since there's only 50 pieces of data, what you need to check? Then it's normal shaped, normally distributed. So I go for that one. State the non-alternative hypotheses. Sorry.
Hypotheses would be whether or not it's 47 years. So the null hypothesis would be equal to 47, and the alternative would be that it's not equal to 47. I think.
So.
Yeah. Because it just says different, so.
Sorry, I have a call. So when they call me when they have problems, and
That's okay.
No problem.
talking things about living supposed to work. Where are we at?
I think we're still on 10. I have too many things open.
We were just talking about the null and alternative hypotheses.
Yeah.
Okay. And then for 3, 7, and it's just talking about the graph. Right. Okay. Alright. It says compute the test statistic, what formula to be used. And then it tells us right in there that it's going to be the Z-score formula.
Yeah.
Write the general formula, input the numbers you'll use. Show this work. We don't need to go over that. Or I don't think we do.
No, I don't think so.
Do we want to talk about the p-value, or is everybody comfortable with that?
I'm good.
Yeah. I'm good too.
Okay. let's go to, do we reject the null hypothesis or fail to reject the null?
Don't we fail to reject it?
Mm-hmm.
That's what I put.
Yes.
Yeah.
What action do you suggest the realtor to take based on your statistical conclusions?
Maybe take more people?
Yeah, have a bigger
Group.
Bigger
number.
sampling.
Uh-huh.
That's what I put too, because I was like, it's kind of, I mean, it is normally distributed, but it's always better in my opinion to be completely sure.
Yeah.
Alrighty. So we have finished there. And then we'll open up the group. I don't know about you guys, but today has really helped me. Like when I read through the book and I'm like, okay, I have no idea what's going on. And then I'm actually doing this, and I'm like, okay, I might get this after all.
I'm ready when everybody else is.
Mine's still loading,
Yeah, mine.
as usual.
Mine's still loading too.
I need to go to the restroom 1 second. Sorry.
Do you guys ever have your quiz like load up with the questions won't load up, like everything else is there, but what's supposed to be in the quiz?
What did you say?
Do you guys ever have your quiz like only half load up and then your computer is like, oh, it's fully loaded? You're like, no, really it's not.
No, mine loads up all the way. Every time.
I guess sometimes close out and I have to like refresh the page and then go back and try to start quiz again.
Okay.
Right on it now. So question 3 says, which hypothesis involves equality? The null hypothesis, the alternative hypothesis, or the true hypothesis?
The null.
No.
Yeah. Remember that the p-value is probably obtaining a sample statistic at least as extreme as the one that was actually observed. When computing the p-value, which hypothesis do you assume to be true?
No.
No. Yeah, that's what I thought. Which of the following represents the alternative hypothesis for a two-tailed test?
The third one.
Yeah.
Agreed. I'm glad I got all those out because I think I would be very confused. Which of the following represents the alternative hypothesis for a left-tailed test?
The first one?
The first one.
Yes. We're looking through this today.
The second one on number 7.
Okay.
Yeah, seems about right.
Yeah, I'm concur. Which relationship would result in failing to reject the null hypothesis?
The first one?
The first one.
Yeah, always happy.
Yeah, I think so.
Which relationship would result in rejecting the null hypothesis?
The second one.
We're all getting the same answers. This is great, guys.
The insurance company is reviewing its current policy rates. When originally setting the rates, they warned that the average claim amount was $1,500. They are concerned that the rate is actually higher than this. Which of the following would be appropriate alternative hypothesis? The average claim amount is $1,500.
The third one?
Actually, here. Yeah, the third one.
Yeah. Which of the following would be the appropriate null hypothesis?
The first one?
The first one.
Rock on.
The insurance company assumes the distribution of sample weight is normal. Is this a good assumption?
The first one?
I agree.
Yes, the first one.
Yeah.
What theorem law justifies your answer to the previous question? And I think it's the second one.
I agree.
Oh, is this the 13 is the second one?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Oh, I always get them those two confused.
Yeah. I understand too, but my thing is, like, the way I remember them is that the central limit theorem is because of a large number. I think, I don't know how to explain it. Sorry.
I have to, I saw it in my notes. I have to go back again.
Which of the following is statistic as the time in this lesson?
The first one?
That's what I got.
Second one.
Is
The
it?
first
Oh,
one?
you think it's...
I thought it was the second one.
Because I think we did the first one in lessons before this one.
Okay.
X with the board or as the mean of needs.
So we go for the first one?
Well, let's go ahead and choose the one that you want. Like if you wanted the second one, if you wanted the second one, me and Steph will, or if Stephanie wants to change it, that's fine. We'll go for the first one and we'll see who's right. Is that cool?
Okay.
I always like it when we have a variety of answers when someone kind of wrong. The historical use sales receipts at grocery store is $150 with a standard deviation of $40. The store manager suspects the average has decreased. She sets up a hypothesis as below. She only uses significance of 0.05 and takes a simple random sample of 56 sales. And she computes $144. This is the score associated with this test.
I got negative 0.9. Does that seem...
Yeah, that's what I
Mine
thought.
mine only showed a 1 decimal point though, so...
I think it'll be fine. That's what I got.
You guys got 0.9, right? Is that what you said? Was 0.9?
Negative.
You got negative, right?
Yeah.
Negative 0.9, yeah.
Okay, well, I must not have carried my negative from somewhere.
Should we add the 3 to the 2 zeros, or should she just leave it at -9?
I think -9 will be fine.
Okay.
Because if the calculator didn't say anything. for this.
Yeah, mine didn't give me anything else.
Yeah.
P-value 0.3. Oh wait, hold on.
0.3681.
Yeah. 0.3681.
I got 0.184.
Oh, it should be associated with the negative, right? So 0.184.
Oh. Oh, okay.
What inference would you make about the null hypothesis for this problem?
Fail to reject.
That's what I have.
Yeah, I agree.
Sorry, what I yes. So to no hypothesis. Sorry.
Alright. What is the conclusion for this problem?
The first one?
I thought the third one.
Oh, yeah, that would make sense.
Yeah,
I don't know.
Trying to think.
Did you take a nap? No. Took a nap? Yeah. Okay. Here. Would you wake up your brother? You want to turn it closer? Excellent. Yeah, closer. That's what I got you to say.
For number 19 is the type 1.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I put.
And then for number 20, I think it's number 2.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah, sorry, Claire, finish it. Okay, go ahead. Please don't remove your shoes. Thank you. Okay, go sit down. Good job.
I think 21 is 0.05.
Okay, that's what I thought.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, just kidding. Sorry.
You're good.
Alright, let's see how we did.
Alright, I submitted it.
You sure did. Good job. Hey, can you go sit in the counter?
Okay. So I got 100%.
I did too.
Yay. This is our shortest video today.
We're done.
Alright. See you you again Monday.
All right. Have a great weekend. you guys.
Alright.
Oh.
See ya.
And then I have a question for you guys. On Tuesday. Oh no, never mind. Never mind. It's a different class. I have too many classes. Oh my gosh. No, it's a different class. Sorry. Okay. See you guys.
Alright, see
Bye.
ya.